Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we bring you the latest tech in a simple and honest way. If you love staying updated on new gadgets, you're in the right place. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has just been released, and people are calling it one of the most exciting drones of the year. DJI has a history of raising the bar with every launch, and the Mini series is proof of that. It's all about compact size, portability, and strong performance. But the Mini 5 Pro promises even more. So is it just another upgrade, or is it the drone that finally combines pro-level performance with ultra-lightweight design? Let's find out. The first thing to look at is the specs. DJI has equipped the Mini 5 Pro with a new 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is a big leap for the Mini line. It means better detail, stronger low-light performance, and sharper colors. The drone can shoot 4K video at up to 100 frames per second, and even 5.4K video at 30 frames per second. Photos come out at 20 megapixels, and with RAW support, there's plenty of room for editing and creative control. Safety has also been upgraded. The Mini 5 Pro now has omnidirectional obstacle sensing. That means sensors in every direction: front, back, sides, top, and bottom. This makes flying much safer, even for beginners, and lets more experienced pilots fly in tighter spaces with confidence. Design-wise, DJI has kept the drone under 249 grams. This is important, because in many regions, drones under that weight don't need registration. Despite being lightweight, it feels well-built and premium. The folding arms make it easy to carry, and the redesigned gimbal guard keeps the camera safe. It looks sleek, compact, and practical, and it stays true to the Mini family's style. If you're using the DJI RC2 controller, you'll also notice improvements in the display experience. The built-in screen is bright and responsive, so you don't have to attach your phone every time you want to fly. The live feed is smooth and sharp, and DJI's upgraded transmission technology gives you a stable 1080p view even at long distances. In ideal conditions, the Mini 5 Pro can transmit video up to 20 kilometers, which is far beyond what most people will ever need. Performance is where the Mini 5 Pro feels solid. It handles winds up to level 6, which means you can fly it in conditions that would make smaller drones struggle. The drone accelerates smoothly, responds quickly to controls, and stops precisely when you want it to. In sport mode, it can still reach up to 16 meters per second, but overall the flight feels smoother and more refined than before. It gives you confidence, whether you're flying in an open field or a tighter environment. Software features are another highlight. DJI has added Waypoint Flight to the Mini 5 Pro, something that creators have wanted for a long time. You can now pre-plan flight paths and repeat them for consistent shots. ActiveTrack 6.0 does a great job of following subjects, even in complex environments, and Quick Shots and Master Shots make it easy to get cinematic clips without much effort. For beginners, these features take away the stress of manual flying. For professionals, they open up creative opportunities. Battery life is impressive for a drone this small. The standard battery gives you around 34 minutes of flight time. If you use the Plus battery, you can extend that up to 47 minutes, which is more than enough for most shoots. With DJI's charging hub, you can cycle through multiple batteries quickly and keep flying without long breaks. Flying the Mini 5 Pro feels smooth and natural. Beginners will love the safety features like return to home and obstacle sensing, while advanced pilots will enjoy the stability and control. The GPS locks on quickly, hovering is precise, and the new 04 transmission makes sure the connection between drone and controller stays solid. It's reliable, which is what you want when your drone is hundreds of feet in the air. Connectivity is strong thanks to 04 transmission technology. The signal is stable even in areas with interference, and the live feed has very little lag. The DJI Fly app gives you easy access to settings, camera controls, and editing tools. Everything feels polished and user-friendly. Now let's talk about price. The Mini 5 Pro starts at around $899 for the base package. If you choose the Fly More combo or the version with the DJI RC2 controller, the cost goes higher. It's not cheap, but it's still less expensive than DJI's larger drones like the Air 3 or Mavic 3 series. Considering the 1-inch sensor, advanced obstacle avoidance, and creative software features, it feels like strong value for creators who want a compact but capable drone. Let's look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, the 1-inch sensor is a huge upgrade for image and video quality. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance makes flying safer and easier. The transmission system is excellent, giving you stable video over long distances. Battery life is solid, especially with the Plus battery, and features like waypoint flight, active track, and master shots make capturing great shots effortless. Portability is another big win. It's light enough to carry anywhere without worry. On the downside, the price might be high for casual flyers who don't need all these features. While the 34-minute battery life is good, serious users will still need multiple batteries. And while the low-light performance is better than older minis, it's not at the same level as larger drones like the Air 3 or Mavic 3. So, should you buy the DJI Mini 5 Pro? If you're upgrading from the Mini 3 Pro, the improvements in camera and obstacle avoidance will feel meaningful. If you already own the Mini 4 Pro, the jump is smaller but still noticeable if you care about advanced features like waypoint flight. For beginners who want to start with something powerful but easy to fly, this is one of the best drones available today. And for professionals who need a backup or travel drone, the Mini 5 Pro offers surprising performance in a small package. In short, the DJI Mini 5 Pro proves that you don't need a heavy, bulky drone to get professional-looking shots. It's portable, powerful, and packed with features that make flying both fun and practical. That wraps up our review of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. At Tap Tech, we aim to give you honest insights so you can make the right choice for your tech needs. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where technology meets simplicity. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates, and we'll see you in the next one.